Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here, don't forget to hit that button below if you have not yet so that you're updated every time that I drop new videos. Also, please make sure you follow me on Instagram as I am on there every day and I do post additional looks throughout the week if you want to check that out. Today I am doing a review, tutorial, and swatches of the new KYLIE Extended Burgundy Palette. Now, I was really excited about this palette. I wasn't so excited about the peach palette because I ain't a peachy girl, but the colors in this look so beautiful that I just had to get my hands on it so I can show y'all, you know, what you get for your coins. This is the palette. It's white. You can't really see KYLIE on it, but you know, brand new. That's how it comes. And then you open it up and you do get 12 beautiful shades that range from shimmer shades to matte shades, and here are the swatches as well. These were like one swipe. I always want to make sure that I'm, you know, giving you guys a good idea of what you come get with the swatches, and they do swatch pretty beautifully. I'm gonna create this entire eye look with this palette, so if y'all want to see which shadows I use, how the shadows perform on the skin and stuff, go ahead and keep watching. I'll see y'all at the end. Okay guys, so I feel like I never do this. Like I feel like I never start off with my face already done, but for the sake of this review, that's what we're doing. I'm gonna go ahead and do my insurance underneath my eyes just in case we experience some fallout. You know, gotta take care of that. Let's go ahead and dip into the palette. You guys just already saw the swatches and the packaging. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I do love a good, you know, pretty pink burgundy palette situation, so y'all know I had to get my hands on this one. I kind of already have an idea of what kind of look I'm about to do, so let's hop right into it. So in my crease, I think I'm gonna go ahead into, and y'all, okay, the names. Let me get in my phone because I seem to mess this up every time. Okay, so I can't find online where they give you the names. So we're just gonna do this the best way that we can. So since it's fall, we're gonna do like a cut crease situation with a dark crease and a little bit of accent over our crease. I think that's the direction we're gonna go. I'm gonna go into Bordeaux and I'm gonna press that into my crease area. I'm not mad at this pigment. I think it's cool. I think it's good. Well, let me go ahead and pat this into my crease and then I'm gonna blend it out with a different color. So I am experiencing not any fallout on the face. I don't see anything falling out onto my powder, but it is some kickback in the pan. You know, no big deal, but that's there. I'm gonna go ahead and blend this color in with, let's go ahead and go with Brick, just to like make it go smoother into my complexion, you know? And I'm pretty much just ombreing Bordeaux into Brick. That really gives, come on camera, focus. Alright, that really gives us like a cute ombre situation. I'm feeling it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my bottom lash line as well, and since we got the colors, we messing with them already, I'm gonna go into Bordeaux and then I'm gonna blend that out with Brick. Okay, I'm feeling that. Y'all feeling that? I think we're good. I'm gonna go ahead and do my cut crease. Let me use my concealer, and this is a ColourPop concealer. It is a lighter color. I think this is in medium 26, and I'm just going to cut my crease. Okay, so I don't want this to like come to a stop right there, so I'm gonna take a clean brush and kind of like blend that into the crease color because we want that to be seamless. From there, I don't know which color I want to go into. I want it to be a contrast to like the highlight that I'm gonna put over it, so I'm thinking I might go ahead into Houston, which is like a pearly shimmer type of purple color. This is Houston, and then we got Dirty Wine, which is that. So which one y'all think we should do? I think I'm gonna mix both of those actually. I'm gonna take a wet brush. Matter of fact, let's see how it performs with our wet brush first. Y'all know how that could get. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into Dirty Wine and let's see what we get. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna do Dirty Wine first and then I'm gonna go into Houston on the ends. And just for the sake of having some more, you know, pigment and shimmer, we're gonna spray the brush with some Fix Plus. And then on the edge, I'm gonna dip back into Bordeaux and let's just go ahead and make sure that's blended on the edges. If I can find the brush that I was using, you know, then I would be able to do that. I'm gonna go into Tokyo, and matter of fact, first of all, let me tell y'all, Look at this. This gets really dirty. Really dirty. I hate it. It'll come off of like the shiny part, but where it says Kylie, which you barely could see at the beginning. Yeah. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a felt tip like white liner and I'm gonna dip that into Tokyo and I'm gonna line the top of my halo. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my liner, which is my Maybelline Eye Studio Gel Liner. We're not gonna wing this out today. We're gonna keep it pretty, or are we gonna wing it out? Let's wing it out. And then I'm gonna put on my lashes today, which is in Mykonos from Lily Lashes. Now we got that all together. I'm gonna go ahead and brush this off my face and we gonna highlight it up a little bit and I can give y'all my final thoughts on the palette. Yeah, for lips today, I'm going into my ALYA by ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Hidden Ways, kind of using that as a liner. And then I'm going in with Nude Chica, which is from the I Love Sarai by Dose of Colors collaboration. All right, and I'm done. All right, love, so this is the finished look. My final thoughts on the palette. I think it's a beautiful palette. It's right up my alley as far as colors wise. Don't like that it gets so dirty on the outside, because y'all know at the beginning you could not even see the Kylie. Now it's kind of tinted with some eyeshadow, which, you know, might be good because you can see the palette better in your collection and you know what you get. I am happy that I got the palette. The shimmers are really, really pigmented and creamy and go on absolutely beautifully. The mattes I like. Of course, I just played with 2 of them, but to me, they blended out pretty well and I think it went good. Now, color-wise, I think that this one is better than the peach palette just because I'm not like a peachy tone type of chick. I'm more of a pinkish burgundy purple type of chick, so this was right up my alley. So, you know, that's just my preference. I did not get the peach palette and, you know, that's just is what it is. I love it. I'm here for it. A little pricey, but you know, that's just what you get when you go with Miss Kylie. It is what it is. You splurge or you don't splurge, and it's up to you. If y'all like this review and this tutorial situation, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Comment below if you want to. Hit subscribe below if you have not yet. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.